In this very short, very concise 5 to 7 minute video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make your first $1,000 on TikTok Shop in the next like week and a half. Everything that I tell you in this video is the results and knowledge of my 1.5 years experience on TikTok Shop. So I'm going to ask one thing of you. I want you to turn off your brain or turn your brain into a sponge, absorb every single thing that I say, eliminating all of your limiting beliefs. I don't want to hear any excuses that are going around your mind. This isn't going to work for me. They just got lucky. This is only going to work for you. All that bullshit, cut it out. Turn off your brain and absorb the information I tell you in this video and go and apply it, and you will achieve these results. Why do I say that? Well, because I have results on this platform, and I've had results on this platform for the past year and a half. I'm one of the only people that is going to share this with you. This right here is my TikTok business account. We almost have 17,000 followers. This is my TikTok shop, almost 7,000 orders, almost 1,300 videos posted. And this is my data from the last 28 days. This isn't data from last year or 2 years ago when I first started. This is my data for the last 28 days. I post on this platform every single day. I get sales every single day, and I've done so for the past year and a half since I've started. As you can see here, March 9, 2025 to April 5th, 2025, which is around the time this video is going to get posted. All of these results have come without me spending a penny on ads. So now I want you to turn off your brain, absorb everything I tell you, and go and apply it. Step one. We are going to use print on demand. This is the best way for beginners to make money on TikTok Shop and avoid the potential losses of a ton of money, the risk of having inventory. Now I carry inventory, but when I started out, I used print on demand. Now, the beautiful thing about print on demand is it gives you fast production time. So, yes, you will fulfill orders in time with TikTok Shop's SLAs. It also gives you low risks because you don't need to have inventory, and it gives you the ability to test and experiment up to an unlimited extent or up to however much money you're willing to spend on samples. Realistically, $120 is more than enough to spend on samples when you're first getting started. Now, I'm going to be very specific in this video. The product that you are going to sell to make your first $1,000 as fast as possible is this shirt right here, the Gildan 5000 shirt. Gildan products, either the crew neck, that's how I started. I sold about 3,000 of the Gildan 18,000 crew neck, but right now, because it's a spring summertime, I recommend the Gildan 5000 shirt. This will blow up extremely quickly. It's super easy to sell. It's priced at a good point for you to make profit and not break the bank for your customers. So it does really well and converts easily on TikTok Shop. You're going to find this shirt right here on Printify, and they're going to have 15 different colors for you to choose from. Don't offer too many color options so you don't overwhelm your customers, because then you're going to give them analysis paralysis, something called a paradox of choice, where they're going to have too many choices and end up not making any choice. How you get the designs that you put on the shirts is by going on Pinterest and you search statement shirt. Here on Pinterest is where everyone goes for inspiration. You're going to find thousands and thousands and thousands of inspiration shirts. You can either take something that you see on there that no one else is selling, or you can kind of use that to get your creativity going and think of a line that'll fit well on a shirt and that'll sell well. Types of things that sell well statement shirts is like funny, quirky things like that, because it's not a very expensive product, so people don't really overthink when they purchase it. Like, this is the example I wanted to use in this video and that we're going to use in this video is the White Boy of the Year shirt. How simple and easy is this? You make this design as well, and why this is so beginner friendly. You can make this on Canva in a few minutes, which we'll go into in step two. But as you can see here, it's an incredibly simple product. They didn't even do a photo shoot for it. Very simple product title. It's optimized well. Man, menswear, oversized t-shirt, streetwear, casual, classic cotton short sleeve. And there's a 100% cotton shirt as well. And they've sold over 4,000 of these. The price point relatively low at 23 and charge a couple dollars for shipping. And that is going to be the perfect blueprint for a successful product. Now, what I want you to do when you go on Pinterest is get inspiration for about 4 to 5 to 6 different statements that you want to put into shirts. And then that leads us to step number two. You're going to go on over to Canva and you're going to use these kinds of fonts. These bold fonts go very well with statement shirts and statement baby tees, and just statement clothing in general. Anton Archivo Black, Abeas New, and Oswald. You can find other ones if you want, but these are just, I kind of did the work for you here. And then with those different 5, 6, 7 statements that I told you to find or think of, you're going to make them in these different fonts. So you don't want to use the same font for all of them because we're experimenting and testing here. So you're going to use a variety of these different fonts, and you can do this in 15 minutes on Canva. This is why I tell you the results here are going to be so fast. You do this in about 15 minutes on Canva, and then you have about 6 to 7 different designs. So you go on over to Printify, you throw these on the Gildan 5000 shirt, and you order in your samples. This theoretically should take you about 24 hours to do. It is so fast, so easy, and so straightforward. So now you've put in your sample order on Printify. It's going to take a couple of days to get to you. If you want to make that quicker, you can do express shipping and it literally gets you in 2 to 3 days. Usually, I notice with Printify, make sure you order all the items together. You'll get it in about 4 to 5 days, sometimes even 3 days, just using the standard shipping option. The samples come in. What do we do with these samples? Create content daily. Again, I'm using the example of this shop right here because it's so basic, so simple, and so straightforward, and so easy to replicate. Now, don't go and steal this guy's exact same quote that, because he's already selling it and he has the social proof with it, but go and make your own. The 7 that I told you, the samples come in, and on a daily basis, you create 1 to 3 videos that look exactly like this. That's part 1 of this step. Part 2 is you make sure you have an open plan set up with 5 to 10% commission. So this content that you're creating is working about 3 jobs for you. It's getting you more sales, it's getting you more eyes and followers on your page, and it's also going to attract affiliates because beginners always complain to me about how long it takes them to find good TikTok shop affiliates. Well, you can make that process seamless, straightforward, and easy just by creating content. It will land on the right For You pages and they will come to you. So this is an example of the content that you will create when you get your shirts. I mean, you're telling me you can't do that? You don't have to do all the weird, obnoxious faces he's making, or like the weird dance moves he's doing. But he's using the strategy that I like of like show, don't sell. Do you see anywhere here that says you need to go buy this shirt? This is the hardest shirt out right now. No, you don't. He's putting the shirt on. He shows you how it looks on. He stepped back. The statement on the shirt does the work and the selling for you. This is something that you can do 2 to 3 of a day, every single day. I don't care if you have 10 kids and if you work a 6 a.m. job up until 8 p.m., if you work every single day of the week, if you work on an oil rig, I don't care. This kind of video is so easy, and that's why I made kind of this strategy for beginners, because it is so quick, so easy, and so doable, and you can do it in high volume. After you make your 1 to 3 videos a day for 2-3 weeks, you're going to go viral. Probably within the first week, you'll get your first semi-viral video that'll get you your first $1,000 in revenue. By the second, third, fourth week, you're gonna have a video blow up and get a couple 100,000 to 1,000,000 views, and that'll just kind of set off the domino effect with tons of affiliates coming in, tons of followers, growing the page, and then in the comments, they are going to tell you what product to make next. They're literally going to comment, "Can you make a shirt that says this next?" You go through your comments, you find the comment with the most likes that has a statement on it. You go and you make that statement shirt, and then you get it on Printify. It comes in, you make a video, again, replicating this kind of style, replying to that comment that asks you to make that statement tee. You rinse and repeat, and you just keep going on with this cycle. It's that simple. Go out there, follow this. And one last thing I wanted to mention is get my courses. I have a free course. So what is your excuse, right? You're broke, you have no money in the bank. I have a free course for you. Go and watch this and apply everything I say here. And then along with what I say in my YouTube videos, and you will be successful. If you want to expedite and accelerate that process, go get my 0 to 100 course. In this course, I guarantee you'll hit your first 100 orders in the next 30 days. And this includes modules. These modules have multiple videos, by the way, on TikTok Shop, Print on Demand, Etsy, Shopify, how to make designs, inventory and manufacturers, getting over the mental hurdles. Every single thing that you need to know is essentially here, and this will expedite and speed up the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got value from it. Let me know your questions down below, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out.